This video explains how to register for income tax by using the SARS online query system. To get started, visit the SARS website. On the landing page, click the SARS online query system button. Scroll down and click Register for Income Tax. On the next screen, you are required to complete your personal details. Under My Personal Details, type your ID number. Please note, the date of birth will be automatically completed as you type your ID number. Type your name and surname, then choose your marital status. Complete your communication details. Complete your residential address and postal address. Select Same as Residential if your postal is the same as your residential address. When you're done, click on Submit. Type the CAPTCHA displayed on the screen, then click on Submit. You will then receive your income tax number by SMS and email. Your notice of registration is password protected. To open the document, type your ID number as your password, then press Enter to view your notice of registration with your tax reference number. Thank you for registering on SARS online query system. SARS at your service.